Hey, beautiful people, it's Rakita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk about Care Credit, and then I also want to talk about other companies that you guys can go with if you are unable to get pre-approved for Care Credit. So the best thing I like about Care Credit that is that you guys can pre-qualify for them. And when I say pre-qualify, they can look and see if they can give you an offer and let you know how much you're approved for without giving you that hard inquiry. That way you don't have to hurt your credit. Remember, getting hard inquiries in your credit reports can actually lower your credit score. Now, I'm going to pop up a few people that actually got approved for this, pre-qualified for this. I haven't seen people get approved up to $19,000 over a total credit. I believe it can go all the way up to 20 or possibly even 25,000 for your care credit. But I have these results here. Everybody is different, but definitely you want to see if you can actually pre-qualify for this credit card. Now, for this credit card. Now, if you guys need to get any work done, or maybe you want to do some animal or pet care, you want to get some cosmetic surgery, you want to get some dental work done, get some work done with your hearing. These are the different things that this credit card can actually pay for. And some of these companies, like when you go and get dental work done, some of them actually offer special financing in terms of like 18 months, zero interest, 0% APR. So you definitely want to see what they offer at the company that you're going to go to get whatever you're going to get done. You can also use this credit card at Walmart. You used to be able to use it at CVS, but there's multiple companies that you guys can actually use this card with, and that's really good. And they also said too later on they was able to get approved for a MasterCard. But if you want to get pre-qualified for this, after I gave you guys a complete rundown, and then you want to click right here where it says pre-qualify. Now, keep in mind, they're going to pull your TransUnion credit report. If you go ahead and accept the offer, it's going to be a soft pull to your TransUnion because they want to see what's going on. If you guys have like bankruptcies, it's going to be very hard to get this credit card. Plus others, you may want to try to remove that bankruptcy from your credit reports. If you have a lot of negative accounts, it's going to be hard. I really wish that you guys will at least have a 620 credit score when you apply for this credit card. But if you already have that in order, I want you guys to go ahead and click which one you're trying to get. If you're trying to get cosmetic surgery, go ahead and click on cosmetic surgery. If you're trying to do LASIK, I had got LASIK done for my birthday, a year ago, year and a half, almost a year and a half ago. You guys can actually get the LASIK. If you have working on weight loss surgery, you guys can go ahead and click there. But whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and click what you're trying to do. Let's click cosmetic surgery. I see a lot of people want to get their boobs done. Maybe other cosmetic surgery. When I got this credit card before, they did pull my TransUnion credit report, and I wanted to get cosmetic surgery. I wanted to get it for my boobs, but I just never end up doing it. Having kids and breastfeeding constantly, I never had a chance to get it done. But to pre-qualify, you have to put your last four digits of your social security number in and put your phone number in. Also, they're going to send you a text. They're going to want to verify your phone, so they're going to send you a text. But just make sure that you're going through all of the motions to get this care credit. Now, look, you're not going to have no annual fee, which is really good. And then you guys will have special financing on a qualifying purchase of $200 or more. So definitely, if you guys have to get dental work done, I remember when I went to the dentist, they actually had a sign for care credit. That's how I first found out about it. But again, you guys can get approved for up to 20, maybe even $25,000 with the care credit, and just a minimum of a 620 credit score, and they're going to pull your TransUnion credit report. Now, say if you can't get approved for this, they can't pre-qualify you. There's another company that can pre-qualify you. I actually got a lower limit with care credit compared to the other company I'm going to talk to you guys about. So with this company, you guys, I got approved for two of their credit cards. They had just a regular credit, and then they had the vision. Now they can pre-qualify you without checking your credit. They didn't have that back then. So you guys definitely jump on this and with them, I believe my limits, if you guys ever listen to me, this is when I told you guys like I got $33,000 to $34,000 in credit. This was one of the cards that was included. So they used to give you higher limits. If they pre-approve you for a low amount, you can actually go ahead and accept it. Call them and say, hey, I got a certain procedure. I need $5,000 more, or whatever you may need, and then they can possibly increase your limit. So definitely go ahead and call them. But if you want to pre-qualify, go ahead and click right here where it says pre-qualify. And then again, you have to select what you want to get done. This time, let's pick the dentistry, get some dental work done. They want to ask you, where are you at? Are you at the doctor's office right now applying? Are you at home? Are you at work? We're going to click at home, work, or other. And then you want to put your mobile number in, last four digits of your social in, and you want to put your zip code in. Now, again, this is going to be a soft pull pre-qualification. It shouldn't hurt your credit at all. So they'll let you know exactly how much you pre-qualify for. And this is going to be with Community Bank, so they're going to go ahead and pull your Equifax credit report. I really wish that you guys wouldn't have a bankruptcy. I don't know what it is about Synchrony Bank and Community Bank. They do not like when you have a bankruptcy on your credit reports, but usually Equifax is easier to get a bankruptcy removed. TransUnion may be a little tough, but it's a hit or miss depending on the person. Definitely try to get it removed if you have that bankruptcy on your credit report. But they're going to pull your Equifax credit report. I really want you guys to have a 620 credit score with them also. I think at the time when I first applied for this, my credit wasn't the best. I was like a 620, 630 when I got approved. And like I said too, I got approved for 3 credit cards, all of them over $10,000. And it's with the same company. So go ahead and see if you can pre-qualify for this credit card. If you guys are able to get approved for any of these credit cards or have experience, definitely go ahead and put in the comments and help somebody else out so that they'll know like what was your credit score at the time and you know how much you was actually approved for. Now, the last company I want to talk to you guys about is a Smile Generation. Now, this is for those people that want to get dental work done. I help a lot of people get approved for this credit card. This is the credit card I used to tell people to get if they have maxed out credit card and they want to work on their utilization. Now, when I actually applied for this credit card again, I got approved for over $10,000. I have other people get approved. It was like $7,500, $8,500, $3,000, but it was just different. Everybody is different. I don't believe that they can pre-qualify you for this credit card, but if you really need to get some type of special financing so that you can get dental work done, definitely go ahead and just apply and just have over that 620 credit score. Understand this is Community Capital Bank, so they're going to pull your Equifax credit report, and again, the bankruptcy is big. But definitely let me know if you guys are able to get approved for these companies. Hopefully it's able to help you. A few people said that they want to get some work done. So I always tell them, hey, work towards it. Let's build your credit up. When I help people try to get these credit cards, I try to make sure that we can get their credit score over like a 680 though. And it's going to take a little extra work than getting to the 620, but it's possible. Make sure you guys have at least 4 credit cards on your credit report, 2 installment accounts. Make sure you're paying your bills on time and don't spend more than 5% on your credit cards. And again, if you have negative accounts on your credit reports, it's a no-brainer that they need to be removed. So definitely work to remove those accounts. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.